It is my second day in Cusco, and I will do today the city tour, which is a visit to some archaeology Inca places close to the city, which is usually done the first few days when you arrive to this city, so you can adjust to the altitude. Many people do it by taking tour agencies, which usually is around 25 soles, but I will do it on my own, no tour agencies. This way I save some money and I'll do it at my own pace. This is something you can do if you ever visit this place. I will start by going to the farthest point, which I highly recommend since it's going up and you don't want to get tired. I have to take 2 buses and only pay like 2 soles, which is like 50 cents. I got there on my first stop just in 25 minutes. My first stop is Tambomachay. Here I bought the touristic ticket, which is good for many places that you will probably visit while in Cusco, especially for the Sacred Valley, and that will be on my next video, especially for the Sacred Valley and other places. It is 130 soles and it's good for 10 days. Tambomachay, it is an archaeology place, also known as the bath of the Inca, and it was believed that it was dedicated to the water worship and religious function related to water. The place is very small and I spent here only 10 minutes. Puka Pukara. This place was believed that it would play an important job as a lookout point, but it's not known for sure. I spent around 30 minutes in this place. Qenqo. Qenqo was a religious site where ceremonies were performed. It is believed that the Incas did rituals, sacrifices during the Inca Empire in this place. Qenqo means labyrinth, which is like a maze in tunnels.
ofrendas, sino también para poder hacer esos trabajos de movilización. Por otro lado, como ya les mencioné antes, seguimos manteniendo.
He was explaining about what it is. No. Ah?
They were living here?
They're living, no, they were mummies or something. But he was saying also that sometimes, like there's offerings, and sometimes you see anywhere, that's pretty common that they do offerings with coca leaf. And if you see sometimes laying down, those are offering that people leave. And you're not supposed to move it, touch it. And if for some reason you have to, do it with your left hand.
Ajá, du meinst die...
que ha tenido el Perú a lo largo de todo este tiempo. Ahorita está un poco dañado, pero seguramente lo que quede, la parte de la quincena de este mes van a empezar a... Ahora bien, como para la mayoría de ustedes, just when you leave this place, you will find these eucalypt forest, which is really nice. You can smell the eucalypt trees. It is a nice smell. And the vibe is really good.
Esto es la Pachamama. Están haciendo los Pachamama. Los abrazos son buenos.
Estas cosas se lleven en el corazón, así que abrácense cada vez que...
Leaving from eucalypt forest, I walked 10 minutes to the next stop, which is a very important place. It's called Saqsayhuaman. This place was an important archaeology and the biggest one in the area. At this point, I'm going down, getting closer to downtown Cusco. This place was believed that it was used for military and religious purposes. The complex is at UNESCO World Heritage Site. The day was cloudy and you could hear some storms, but luckily the hour I spent in this place, I only got a little bit of rain. This area was dark and felt weird. Look, see, there is coca. Those are offerings, so don't touch them. Sí, we'll continue. Sigamos. In this place, you have 3 different circuits. One, it will take you 1 hour and a half, the other one 45 minutes, and the other one 30 minutes. I took the one that is 45 minutes. Saqsayhuaman is one of the most amazing buildings in the world. This place was built with stones, were up to more than 27 feet tall, and some structures weighed of up to 125 tons. It is believed that today this place has only 40% of its old structure. Many questions are still a mystery. On my way out, just walking only 10 minutes, there's an overlook of a white Christ, which you can see the city of Cusco. Okay. After this, you can either walk 20 minutes down to Cusco City or you can take a little bus. I decided to take a bus. That only took me less than 10 minutes to get there. I was a little tired. Well, I hope you guys like this video, and my next video will be more about City Cusco. Thank you.